Dave with Gulf City Products. Today I'm going to show you how to replace, repair your broken spikes, bent spikes on recycled plastic stakes. First one we'll do is this one, 18-inch rope stake, been completely broken off. Part of the spike is still in the stake. So what we'll do is we will take a 12-inch stake, mark it, we'll cut that part off. Safety first. We will clamp this down to the side of the bench and drill us a pilot hole. And we plugged in the saw, not the drill. Ready to be respiked. Next, there are two different kinds of spikes you'll find on your stakes on your golf course. Hex head, which you can feel or see the difference, completely smooth, which is more like a nail. We'll do the one with the nail first, because that one takes a little more work to get out. What we'll need is a vice grip or a pipe wrench. Get a good bite on it. Spin it 3-4 times, break it loose. Hammer, mallet, tool of choice. Okay. Reset it, get a better bite. Break it loose again. As you can see, it is threadless, so that will be something we'll have to remember when we start to put in the new spike. The one with the hex head, box wrench, open wrench, socket, all you gotta do is get it started. It will back right out. That is the spike that we just took out. We're going to replace them with the Easy Thread spike from Gulf City Products. we've cut off, starter hole, the one that we've unscrewed, and then the red hazard stake that we took the spike out of. The ones that were not threaded, to get this point started, we'll put it in. You'll have to give it a good couple whacks to get it to get a bite. You will start to feel it snugging up. And then you can check your spike depth. You can actually make it taller or shorter than your existing spikes on other stakes. Okay, this is the one we cut, did the starter hole on. Same thing. Get it started. Farther or shorter, depending upon what you'd like to do. This is the one that already had a threaded spike in it. It will grab in the old threads. It will go through the original threads because of the coarse thread on this spike, and we'll take a fresh bite of material to snug it up. Pretty close. Pretty close. One existing. Again, it's a little shorter, but you can adjust those to however you want them. 3 spikes, you can take them over to the wash rack, take them in the kitchen, bathroom, a little mild soap, scrub pad, scrub them up, they'll look great. These are ready to be resurfaced, put back into use. For more information or other products, or golf supplies or accessories that Golf City carries, please go to golfcityproducts.com. Remember, when quality matters, Golf City. Thank you.